Celebrate Valentine season with these heart-shaped cinnamon rolls. I'm told they're easy to pull together and guaranteed to make your family feel extra special. Heidi VanValkenburg with Rhodes Bake N Serve is here to share the simple recipe to make these Valentine-ready treats. I have missed you.
I missed you too.
It's so good to see you, and these are so cute. They look bakery-worthy.
Okay, well, thank you. They should. No.
They do. They could be behind glass, but you say they're so simple.
They are. So I'm using actually the Anytime cinnamon rolls that we have,
Okay.
but you can do the traditional or you can use the Anytime, either one that you want to do. The trick with the Anytime is you don't need to let it rise. You can immediately just bake it. So the traditional you need to let rise.
So if you're a last-minute Cupid, then you go for those.
And if your kids are impatient, put them together, put them in the oven. You're done.
Who isn't impatient when we're talking about cinnamon rolls? How do we dress them up?
Okay, so what we're going to do is there's a little kind of tail that we can unroll this.
Okay.
And I'm not going to unroll the whole thing. I'm going to leave a little bit. But I'm going to place this down on my pan, and then I'm just going to loop this end through just like this.
See, don't be limited by the shape of the frozen dough. You can be in charge and manipulate it into the cutest heart you've ever seen.
Yeah, and so you're just going to do, that's the beginning of this. That's how it's going to start, and that makes my heart. Just like that. Okay, and then what we do is the recipe will call for 9 of these, and the next one, you're gonna take this other one, we're gonna unroll it, and we would divide this last strip into 3 different segments. It will say 5 to 6 inches, so I'm gonna guess. And then I'm gonna make this in a V shape, and I'm gonna put this down in the center. Just like this.
To fill in the empty space.
To fill in the empty space, because that empty space is what we're going to fill with our raspberry.
Oh, was it raspberry? I thought it was chocolate. Raspberry.
Well,
chocolate on
top is the
Gotcha,
Nutella.
girl. Okay. Okay.
So I have this. If I was using the traditional, I would let this rise, and then I would add my raspberry. Since it's the Anytime, I'm using raspberry pie filling. On our website, on the recipe, there is actually with frozen raspberries, corn syrup, and sugar that you mix together and fill that up. And you bake it with the raspberry in the center of that.
Okay, it comes out beautiful and
it does. Now, when it comes out, let it cool just enough. The trick with this wonderful powdered sugar is you want to do that right before you're ready to eat them, because it will get in there.
Like now?
But no.
Her finger came out. No.
I'm sorry. No. I'm sorry.
No,
I put my Nutella, I warmed it up in the microwave. I'm just going to clip the end of this.
Raspberry and Nutella. I'm liking how that tastes in my mind.
And then you can just decorate it.
Okay.
Over, back and forth like this. And then I'm just doing this really quick. You can make it prettier. But you can add that powdered sugar on top of it.
This is the only snow we're going to get, it sounds like, here.
Maybe.
Right here.
So, and if you go on our website, if this isn't your thing, you can always do chocolate on top instead of the Nutella. But we have just regular, these are heart-shaped cinnamon rolls that we did.
Cute.
Okay, so we did these without a filling in the middle. We put them together, decorated them, just like that. Or you can just put them in cute wrappers for Valentine's. So either way, if you want to dress it up more with the raspberry, do this. Otherwise, those are just heart-shaped cinnamon rolls that you can find.
I'm so glad you mentioned your website, because it's a great resource for like food crafts or variations of what you can do with the cinnamon rolls, the regular dough. Give us your website so we know where to go.
RhodesBakeNServe.com, and this is what I call my edible crafts.
I love it.
So you can just eat those. So yeah, you can find all kinds of ideas there.
Our heart is full for you.
Oh, and I was hoping for a hug. Thank you.
We've got hearts full of raspberry jam, and we've got hearts full of love for Heidi and our friends at Rhodes, who always make us look like the holiday heroes. Valentine's Day is no exception, so we'll link you over to their website. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thanks, you too.